Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is me giving you all 4 date night ideas for the fall. So of course, fall is not over. It is simply just in the middle, but we all know that winter starts December 21st. And so before we get there, some of the cute last minute fall date night ideas of things to do are here packed in this video. So some of the things that I like to do for date night, and I'm just gonna name 4 of them, are to have a fall movie night or like a movie marathon. You and your significant other, spouse, fiance, boyfriend, partner, whatever you wanna call them, can snuggle right up on the couch together, feet up, blankets, pillows, TV on, lights off, and just have a relaxing evening of movies, or you can choose to find something scary to watch. It is still not anything wrong with watching scary movies. It's also nothing wrong with putting on something that you've already watched years prior. It's just a great way to spend time together. Idea number 2, you and your other could definitely like bake a treat together. It doesn't have to be something spectacular. It could be something real minimal, and you also could just try it together. You also can, just try something new, whether it's baking cupcakes, whether it's this or that. I know for myself, a fall treat that we like to do together is making sweet potato cupcakes. So you and your other could get in the kitchen and easily bake a treat. Idea number 3 is to go out on a dinner night out. One of the best things about going on a dinner date out is that you and your spouse, husband, boyfriend, whatever, could sit down, have a great dinner out, talk about how your week has been, and to rekindle from the week and kind of see, what you guys can chit chat about, but also what is it that you guys want to do differently like next week as far as resetting. There's a lot of things that you guys can talk about at a dinner outing, especially when it is just the 2 of you. Idea number 4 is to do a pumpkin patch or an apple orchard. So you can go to a pumpkin patch or an apple orchard and you guys can just have a great time. You guys can do some apple picking. You guys can do pumpkin patches where you go and pick up pumpkins, and it's just a great fall outing where the weather might be great, the weather might not be great. It's totally up to you. So some of the things that you also can do, if these 4 ideas are not kind of in your mind or not in your range of wanting to do, there also could be a movie night at the movie theaters. It doesn't have to be at home, it could be at the movie theaters. You also could get dinner out and bring it to the home and sit down and have a nice hot meal. You also could get some fall treats out, such as donuts or anything of that nature. Just throwing it out there. And if you guys like to do things like hay rides, that's another great option. Putting up the Christmas tree together is a great option in the fall, especially around Thanksgiving time. If you don't have kids that are going to help decorate the Christmas tree, who are you? But these are just some great ideas that I thought I would throw out there if anyone is interested in looking for some date night ideas. So also, one of the main things that I would love to try for next year is to do a fall scenery drive where we drive to some places in Virginia that have maybe like some great views of fall scenery, and just maybe take some pictures, do some vlogging, and just have a great time out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you take one of my ideas and run with it and go and have a fall date night before the new year.